Hello, children. Welcome back to literature class. In my last class, I have already started one lesson of your annual syllabus, first lesson of your annual syllabus, rather. That is lesson 9, The Man of Science. There, we have started talking about Stephen Hawking, one of the famous scientists who discovered the Big Bang theory. Now, we are going to learn further about his life. Now, his next achievement was a startling discovery that black holes are not so black after all. Now, what are black holes? Black holes are the vacant areas inside the sun. And there he found that black holes are not so much black from inside, they are quite shining. And later on, this effect was known as Hawking radiation. What did it known as? Hawking radiation. Hawking radiation হিসেবে জানা যেত radiation কেন? Because Hawkins বলছে this is shining, চকচক করছে. This work established him as one of the most influential thinkers of his generation. ওর জেনারেশনের সব থেকে স্ট্রং থিঙ্কার তার মধ্যে একজন ছিল হকিন্স. In 1974, at the age of 32, he was elected a Fellow of Royal Society. He was one of the youngest people to achieve this honor. Means 1974 a Fellow of Royal Society, quite honorable society. There he was the youngest people who had been selected to be given this honor. By the end of 1970s, Hawkins' abilities to speak declined even further. 1970-তে আস্তে আস্তে ওনার কথা বলার ক্যাপাসিটিটা কমে গেল. Hawkins' abilities declined. Only his family and few close friends could understand what he said. Despite the gradual failure of his limbs, he continued to work. In 1979, at the age of 37, he was appointed the Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at Cambridge, positively previously held by some of the most illustrious scientists in England, including the likes of Newton and Babbage. This post was previously held up by Newton or Babbage. There he was appointed as the professor of mathematics in the University of Cambridge. You know pretty well, in foreign countries, two famous universities are there. They are Cambridge and Oxford. And among them, in Cambridge University, a part of the declining capacity of his voice, I mean, he could not speak properly, or rather, nobody was there to understand his language except his very close people. He was appointed as the professor of mathematics in the University of Cambridge. So just think about it, how intelligent and how exceptional brain he was having. Hawkins suffered another major blow in 1980. On the visit to Geneva in 1985, he contracted severe pneumonia. He was also attacked with pneumonia. Pneumonia, you know, lungs এ প্রচুর পরিমাণে সর্দি জমে যায় and you could not breathe properly. The doctors had to operate upon him to save his life, though he was saved. He lost his speech permanently, and just after this disease, he was operated just to make himself alive. He could not speak. Previously, he could speak, but nobody could understand, only a few people, except few people. Now, later on, after this operation, his speaking quality completely gone. I mean, it was lost. In a situation like this, anyone else would be completely devastated, but Hawkins refused to be bitten. Initially, he communicated by raising his eyebrows to indicate letters on a spelling card. Later, he got a cutting edge speech synthesizer, which gave him a distinct voice. Later on, একটা আর্টিফিশিয়াল মানে সিনথেসাইজার মতন ওনাকে দেওয়া হয়েছিল, যেটার সাহায্যে উনি কথা বলতেন. প্রথমে উনি চোখ এরকম ভুরুনা চিনে যে বলছেন দ্যাট অ্যালফাবেট, দিস অ্যালফাবেট, দেন ইউ কম্বাইন দ্য অ্যালফাবেট, আ ওয়ার্ড উইল কাম আউট, এরকম করে. In an attempt to make science popular among general populace, Hawkins wrote a brief history of time. You দেখো, being a paralyzed person from here to the bottom, এত কিছু করে গেছে. Then what we people are doing? We are quite normal. We are totally normal. So, what footprints we are keeping out for our juniors? We are doing nothing. So, this is really a very inspiring chapter to all of us. Then he wrote a book also. The book was an instant success and it got a huge success. 10 million copies bikri holo and 35 languages it was translated in 2001. Hawkins believed that this book would give people access to great philosophical questions. অনেক কোয়েশ্চেনের আনসার পেয়ে যাবে এই বইটা পড়ে if we find the answer to why we the universe exist it would be ultimate triumph of human reason for then we would know the mind of god. This book had turned him into a celebrity. Now he is a hero because the fact which he has enlightened in this book was really really outstanding. None of any person beforehand had rather tried to highlight these points. In 1999, Hawkins made a guest appearance in the popular American sitcom. Sitcom means situationary comedy you can say, which makes people laugh. The Simpsons. He also presented a documentary একটা ছোট সিনেমা বলতে পারো স্টিফেন হকিংস ইউনিভার্স এটা নিয়ে উনি একটা ছোট সিনেমা করেছিলেন যেটা উনি দেখালেন a guest appearance on Star Trek The Next Generation and lent his distinctive voice to Pink Floyd's album The Division Bell. ওনার যে আর্টিফিশিয়াল ভয়েস মেকারটা লাগানো হয়েছিল সেটা দিয়ে উনি আর্টিফিশিয়ালি কথাও বলেছিলেন. These cameos means appearance, brief appearance of film. একটা ফিল্মের ছোট্ট দৃষ্টান্ত বলতে পারো, এক্সাম্পল বলতে পারো. In 2000, household name, but he remained faithful to science, his first love. Science was the first love of his life. সব থেকে প্রথমে যাকে ভালোবাসতেন জীবনে, that was science. In 2014, the movie The Theory of Everything document করা হলো. At the age of 67, Hawking stepped down from the post of equation professor. His condition was worsened further. 67 age, he declined from the post where he was appointed as the professor. He left out the post and his situation worsened. আরো খারাপ সিচুয়েশন হয়ে গেল. He could no longer use his hands to control the wheelchair. এবার হাতও আর ইউজ করতে পারতেন না হুইলচেয়ারটা কন্ট্রোল করার জন্য. He could only move his cheek muscle to control his speech synthesizer. However, he kept doing what he did best. তার মধ্যেও he was kept on doing. কাজ করেই যাচ্ছিলেন. He was director of research at the University of Cambridge at the time of his death, 14th March 2018. Despite all odds, Stephen Hawking had discontinued to work, defying his disease every moment. In doing so, he became more a scientist of incredible achievement. He became an icon of the triumph of a man's will over fate. He became an icon. Icon means যাকে দেখে আমরা জীবনে কিছু করার কথা ভাবি. Idol বলতে পারো. Who had kept a huge example to all of us that even if you are defaulter of your disease, then also if you are mentally and morally strong, nobody can stop you from doing your work or job. 14th March 2018, this famous personality, rather, this icon, this godfather, left us. But he'll remain in our heart so long till the world will remain. Here ends your lesson. I believe you must have got interest because it's a different type of lesson. It's a documentary, you can say. It's a biodata of someone. Rather, it's a biography of someone. Read it and promise yourself that you are also going to do something that will make people remember you. Okay? So, we'll meet you very soon along with the required question answers and exercise. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit, and read properly with full mind and heart. Thank you.